Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Wow, good news today, 200 subscribers, and that's all down to you wonderful people out there. And for anybody who's out there watching the video at the moment who's not subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. And thank you very much for doing that. It supports the channel and everything. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So first of all, I'm going to import the time module here. So import the time, and I'm going to create my little dictionary called countries. Okay, so we've got the first one that's going to be equal to is the UK. Okay, and in the UK they speak English. Well, most of the people anyway. Some of them speak a really rough dialect. Okay, I think the second language is something like Hindi. Okay, right, the next one is France, and that's going to be French. Okay, and let's have another one here. Let's say Spain. I'm done with capitalizing, guys. It doesn't matter just for this video. Spanish. Whoopsie daisy. What's happening now? Okay. Spanish. Okay, so that's our dictionary. Shall we print it out? Let's see if it works. Print countries. Just quickly save that there. Let's print countries here. Let's run that. Countries. There you go. So it works. Okay, and below it, we're going to create a function. This is going to be access dictionary. I'm going to call it DIC for short. Access dictionary here. So what we're going to do, we're going to access the keys and the values in here. So the first one here is the key, and the value is English. Key is France, value is French, etc, etc, etc. So we do that for key, value in countries, which is the dictionary. Okay, dot items. Then we're going to print country is. Let's have a look. So country is, and we're going to format it, but we're not going to format it the usual way. We're going to do the old-fashioned way of formatting. Language is. Okay, so the country will go in here and the language will go in there, and we're going to do the old-fashioned way of formatting. Format the key and the value. Okay, let's just close the parenthesis off there. Right, so basically that's going to loop through and it's going to print out our keys and values. And now we're going to update the dictionary. So create another function called update dictionary. I'll just call it dic. There, update dic. Print, just to tell the user, updating. We'll do that, and then we'll make it more authentic by giving it a 1 second pause, and we do that by doing time.sleep here, and we type in 1, which means 1 second, so it's going to pause for 1 second. To use the time sleep function, you have to import the module up here, which is called import time, to use it. Okay, right, now we're going to update the the dictionary. So countries. Let's have a look. Let's update the UK here. Okay, so let's update that. So we'll update the language to Hindi or Punjabi, especially if you're living in London. Okay, let's have a look at the countries. Let's say France here, so we're going to update that to English, or French people should speak English. Okay, let's have a look now. Countries. Last one we're going to do is going to be Spain. Okay, so Spain, and if you're an American, you'll say that they speak Mexican. Mexican. There we go. What do they speak in Mexico? They speak Mexican. There you go, Uncle Sam. Okay, here we go. Print countries. Okay. Right, all we've got to do now is update dictionary. Let's have a look. Let's access the dictionary first. So access dic. Okay, so let's access the dictionary first. So we're going to run this part of the program. Here we go. So country is UK, language is English. Country is France, language is French. Country is Spain, language is Spanish. Okay, let's access the other one. Update dic. Okay. Updating, there we go. UK, Hindi, France, English, Spain, Mexican. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that. And again, big thank you to all you people out there for hitting that subscribe button, for watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. And I will see you again in another video. Bye-bye.